Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video on silver. So silver has shown quite a nice reaction to the to the Friday low. Not unexpected, given that we were tracking here an Elliott wave triangle, and when a triangle is complete, typically the breakout to the upside is quite rapid. Good performance today, and with that move, we do get a 5-wave move up from the April low. As per our orange scenario here, quick recap. Well, we're looking for here wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. The wave 5 formed, again, a triangle, yeah. Bit difficult because we do have an overlap here between the wave 1 high and the potential wave 4 price area. However, it's possible this 5th wave is an ending diagonal. And also, quick educational moment, what really counts is, does the wave 1 cut into the price region of the E wave of the wave 4, which it didn't. So it's all good. It's also the move that was kind of communicated in the last video. Also, in our members area, the triangle has been, I've been tracking this triangle for the last few days here on the 29th of May. I showed you guys that we might be in the late stages of the D wave of the triangle, then could get an E wave down. That was the last post on the 29th. The price could have started the E wave of the triangle. That was a heads up that we have to be watching for the completion of the triangle, right? The E wave is the last wave. Okay, so we had a very clear invalidation point, the red line. So I would say that was a textbook triangle and a textbook upside breakout point from a triangle or upside breakout. If you're interested in daily updates here, silver, gold, there are also some platinum, palladium updates, S&P, NASDAQ updates. Check out our stocks membership. The silver and gold updates are included on a daily basis. So yeah, I mean, what can I say? What I mentioned in the previous videos is, as long as we're holding above this invalidation point here, which would have really invalidated the triangle, right? There is always a level that invalidates it, which would have been here the $32.57 level. Invalidation, yeah, would have been obviously $32.57. But as long as we're holding that, the market should move into this area, the next fib levels here, between $34.19 and $34.82. So we'll see if the market shows a reaction there. There's obviously no sign that we've topped right now. But if this indeed is a diagonal pattern, well, be careful, because the 5th wave would be an ABC structure. So 3 waves up in A, B, C. That's how I track it, yeah. Because also here, the 3rd wave is clearly an ABC structure. So I don't necessarily expect a massive upside breakout for now. The trend is up. But whenever we have a triangle, we know that the next move up is likely the last one, at least of a cycle, yeah. We've now also broken above the 3rd wave high more clearly, and that's exactly what we want in a 5th wave. So waiting now for a sign here that we stop this local uptrend, but for now it's still pushing it. Again, ideally would stretch a little higher, potentially even towards $34.82. Earliest indication a top of sorts is in place would be a break below $33.17. A more substantial signal would be a break below the end of the wave 4, the Friday low at $32.74. Because that would rule out any further extension more directly in this 5th wave. That's the update on silver. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. And yeah, I'll link the stocks membership Patreon link in the descriptions and the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. Have a great start to the week.